And this is the Yacht Charter web app. So initially we're going to go to the GitHub link, repo link, and we should simply come here to download the zip. Now we want to make sure that we have Node.js installed, so that's the next step that we're going to do. It's nodejs.org/en/download, and obviously you can install as per your operating system. Now, once we have that, it's pretty much all we need. We're going to go ahead and make sure that this downloaded. Yep, and there it is. Right, so we're going to go ahead and access it now. Okay, so we're going to create a new terminal window. And this is my downloads, so we can do downloads / yacht. I'll just name of the folder. Now, once we're here, we're going to want to install Express. So npm install Express. A couple of warnings might come up, but it doesn't really matter as long as it just fully downloads. There it is. And then npm install node employee. And this again, warnings, but it's all good to go. Let me make sure that all other, I shouldn't have another local host running. And here we're on node server.js. Perfect, so we don't. So we're going to go ahead, it's running at port 3000. And come here to localhost 3000. And sure enough, there it is. Right, this is our home page. And this is everything that that we need, really. There's nothing, there's really no maintenance needed. Kind of runs on its own. That's really just about it. For any database connections would be your server.js file, which I'll show you now. So if you come here into the folder, again, you'll see the server.js right down here, and obviously you can click that into your favorite IDE and go from there. Obviously, I've omitted my password for the authorization of NodeMailer, just because obviously it's private information. But you'd go ahead and just change your user, change your password. A quick tip would be when you do, if you do use Gmail, you have to allow external apps to use your Gmail. So you might get errors regarding that. So make sure that you do that prior to running it, because if not, it won't send the error that we had. So it's in settings, and you can kind of look it up and install it from there. That's really about it. Nothing else. And thank you. Wish you the best.